Benelli Army was established in Urbino, central Italy in 1967 and, since its inception, has revolutionized the concept of shotguns, becoming the world's top manufacturer of semi-automatics. Yet not many know that Benelli, as a firearms manufacturer, began as a side project when the company was known only for their production of motorcycles. The Benelli brothers, both keen hunters, were approached by a young inventor, Bruno Civolani, with a new and unique type of semi-automatic shotgun mechanism, the inertial system. The key features of this system were its reliability, safety, simplicity, high performance, minimum maintenance, and high firing rates, up to 5 rounds in less than 1 second. To the present day, the inertial system is still recognized as the most efficient of all semi-automatic shotgun mechanisms. Today, Benelli is a highly technological company where innovation is priority and every step is taken towards developing inimitable products. Year after year, Benelli's firearms have become milestones in the annals of sporting history and are considered the ultimate must-haves by most hunters. The SL80, 121, Montefeltro, Super Black Eagle, M4, Raffaello Creo, M2, Beccacia, Comfort, Raffaella 28, Creo Comfort, by Millionaire, the Argo E semi-automatic rifle, and now the Vinci, the head of a whole new family. Does a Benelli firearm come to be? It all starts with the customer. Benelli's marketing department analyzes the latest trends, needs and wishes, and passes on a set of design requirements to the R&D department, where expert engineers develop the high-performance products that today's hunters demand. Every phase, from concept to distribution, is supervised with the utmost care and precision, with the greatest emphasis on design. Benelli's engineers use sophisticated CAD and KE software to design their new shotguns and to simulate their functioning. Long gone are the days when gun makers had to test their new ideas by trial and error before achieving a satisfactory result. Today, every little detail, down to the smallest component, is verified and optimized virtually well before it appears in the real world. At Benelli, all possibility of human error has been eliminated from the design process, because what happens on the computer screen is exactly what will happen in the real world. Simulation and reality match perfectly. Over the years, Benelli's R&D department has developed 19 international patents, including the Comfortech system, unrivaled in reducing recoil and vibration, cryogenically treated barrels for improved ballistic performance, and the Vinci Inertia system that achieves maximum stability and performance when firing, special materials and sophisticated coating treatments that make Benelli products exclusive and unrivaled. The testing department is where new products take shape, where the virtual becomes real, where ideas are transformed into prototypes. Futuristic test equipment and specialist technical personnel assemble and test the products, destined to become Benelli's next best sellers. Every single component is tested under the most extreme conditions, subjected to the toughest trials, and stressed relentlessly for hours on end, way beyond what any weapon would normally undergo in the real world. Benelli wants to be absolutely certain of the safety and reliability of its products. All Benelli prototypes must prove themselves exceptionally safe and reliable, and must perform consistently. Data obtained from sensors and sophisticated slow-motion video cameras are analyzed in detail to ensure that the weapon being tested not only behaves perfectly, but delivers the ultimate in performance as well. Only when all tests have been passed is a shotgun declared fit for cloning. And cloning is just the right term, because Benelli's advanced automation produces exact duplicates of every individual component. This means that the end customer purchases an exact copy of the shotgun that has been tested in Benelli's testing department. Tireless and infallible robots repeat every operation with absolute precision, and the entire production line is continually monitored by a control system to ensure its perfect functioning. Piece after piece, all perfect and identical, no exceptions. Every component must match flawlessly the original design. The Benelli factory is unique in the world for its automation as well as the attention towards environmental, health and safety issues. Advanced ventilation, climate control and cleaning systems safeguard the workforce, while stringent anti-pollution measures, recycling processes and toxic waste disposal systems ensure maximum respect for the environment. The Benelli factory was the first and is still the only firearms factory in the world to have been awarded ISO 14001 certification. So far, we've seen that prototypes are only released if they are perfect, and that robotic systems are used to make perfect copies. But even this is not enough for Benelli. Random samples from the production line are regularly tested in the quality assurance department. Specialist quality technicians check piece after piece to make sure that the Benelli production system is working perfectly. In addition to manual testing, special automatic equipment is used to measure tolerances of every part. Perfection is not something you can leave to chance, and Benelli's reputation must be protected at all costs. Once all the components are ready, they are put together by specialists in the assembly department. Here too, operatives perform a series of checks during the assembly of the finished shotgun. At last, the shotgun is ready to go out to the customer and is prepared for shipping along with all its accessories. Even the highly manual packing process is validated by advanced software to prevent errors and omissions. The finished product warehouse and the shipping department are fully automated, yet further proof of Benelli's commitment to advanced technology. All picking and transfer activities are controlled by an automation system designed for maximum speed and precision. Benelli also invests heavily in advertising, promotional materials for point of sale, and participation in leading hunting and firearm trade shows, where ready-for-market innovations are presented every year. But Benelli's attention to its products does not stop with the purchase, and the company ensures their customers are supported and assisted through dedicated customer service personnel. Customer support includes repairs, and it's not unusual for a technician to phone the owner of a serviced product to explain exactly what he has done, or to pass on hints on how to get the most performance from the firearm. Benelli customers can rest assured that customer service will always be at their disposal to solve whatever problems might occur. Futuristic products, superb quality, advanced technology and attentive customer care are the foundations on which Benelli has grown over the years, and the reasons why Benelli leads the world in semi-automatic shotguns today. Benelli products are sold and backed up by a reliable customer service in almost 80 countries and on 5 continents, from Europe to the Far East, and from Canada to New Zealand. All main markets are covered by an extensive sales and service network. Benelli has set up subsidiaries in partnership with Beretta to service the United States, its main market, as well as France, Spain, Germany and Russia. Benelli is Italy and Europe's top shotgun manufacturer for the quality and value of sales, and number 1 in the United States for value of sales. More importantly, Benelli is the leading brand globally, with a share of over 20% of the world market. In the law enforcement and defense sectors, Benelli is the preferred supplier to many of the world's most prestigious special and armed forces. The Benelli M4 has been selected for use by the US Marines and the British Army. The M4 is also in service with the United Nations peacekeeping missions around the world and has been a protagonist in innumerable encounters. Benelli's innovation and research has revolutionized the firearms industry and given customers higher performing, safer and more reliable shotguns. Futuristic technology goes hand in hand with design, style and ergonomics. Benelli, an extraordinary brand offering inimitable products.